A Coleus plant that is suffering, wilting, yellowing. Do you want to prevent it from dying? This video is for you. I'm Nora and I'm going to talk about how to stop your Coleus plant from dying and also some of the causes that may lead to problems with your Coleus plant. Healthy and vibrant Coleus plants can be a very rewarding experience. These beautiful plants can grow into bushy, thick plants that can cover long big surface areas. However, it can be a very challenging task to maintain their health, especially when you're faced with many of the problems that usually lead to the death of Coleus plant. And one of the most common problems is plant wilting. So this video, I'm going to cover some of the causes for your Coleus plant dying or really struggling. First of all, we've got insufficient watering. One of the primary reasons behind Coleus plant demise in terms of health is inadequate watering. Without a sufficient water supply, these plants can quickly wither and also stop their growth. It's important for you to establish a watering schedule and ensure that the soil remains consistently moist. Failing to do so can lead to dehydration, and also your plant is going to give you signs because you're going to realize that the leaves, the upper and lower leaves, have started to wilt and the plant has lost its vibrant colors as well. Ultimately, it can also lead to plant death, so please be careful in terms of watering the plant enough. The second reason is overwatering. So excessive watering can also lead to equally terrible effects on our Coleus plants. So while they require moisture for growth, remember that overwatering can lead to root rot and also make the plant susceptible to fungal diseases. So it's important to always strike a balance and provide just enough water to maintain optimal soil moisture without saturating the roots. So make sure that your plant is in a pot that has proper drainage as well, because it really helps with avoiding the root rot and avoiding the fungal diseases as well. The third reason is high temperatures. So when there's elevated temperatures, this can negatively impact the health and the growth of our Coleus plants. Excessive heat can really stress the plants. It can lead to wilting. It can even lead to eventual death as well. Proper ventilation and temperature control is important to help combat the problems that we face with our Coleus plant. And reason number 4 is exposure to harsh environmental conditions. So what are the conditions that Coleus does not like? We've got strong winds, cold temperatures, so it's best to grow the Coleus indoors if that's a option for you. And also the cold temperatures and the strong winds can lead to leaf damage. It can lead to a pause in the growth as well, and it's important to protect the Coleus plant from extreme weather conditions. And I've also talked about how to care for Coleus plant during the winter time. That video will be linked in the description box below. And lastly, we have proper care and maintenance. It's important to provide the care and the maintenance for our Coleus plant. So regularly pruning, monitoring for pests and diseases, and ensuring proper soil quality and sunlight exposure is really important. So these are the ways that you can help Coleus plant from thriving and prevent its death as well. Enjoy today's video, subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one.